of your daily diet. They are naturally good and contain vitamins and minerals that can help to keep you healthy. They can also help protect against some diseases. Many people will get benefit from eating more fruits and vegetables as part of a well-balanced regular diet and a healthy active lifestyle. There are many varieties of fruits and vegetables available and many ways to prepare, cook and serve them. You should eat at least 5 serves of vegetables and 2 serves of fruits each day. Choose different colors and varieties. A serve of vegetable is about 1 cup of raw salad vegetables or half cup of cooked vegetables per day. A serve of fruit is about 1 medium piece, 2 small pieces of 1 cup cane, no added sugar. Fruits and vegetables contains many vitamins and minerals that are good for your health. Those include vitamin A, C and E, magnesium, zinc, phosphorus and folic acid. Folic acid may reduce blood levels of homocysteine, a substance that may be a risk factor for coronary heart diseases. Fruits and vegetables are low in fat, salt, and sugar. They are a good source of dietary fiber as a part of a well balanced regular diet and a healthy active lifestyle. A high intake of fruits and vegetables can help you to reduce obesity and maintain a healthy weight, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood pressure level. So, now I'm going to tell you about the benefits of the fruits individually. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C. One orange offers 116.2% of the daily value for vitamin C. Vitamin C, which is also vital for the proper function of a healthy immune system, is good for preventing colds and preventing recurrent ear infections. Antioxidants in oranges help protect skin from the free radical damage known to cause signs of aging. An orange a day can help you look young even at 50. Fiber in oranges help by keeping blood sugar levels under control, thereby making oranges a healthy snack for people with diabetes. Moreover, oranges have simple sugars. The natural fruit sugars in oranges, fructose, can help keep blood sugar levels from rising too high after eating. Oranges have both soluble and insoluble fiber. This helps in keeping your intestines and stomach function smooth, preventing irritable bowel syndrome. Additionally, the fiber helps treat constipation to a greater extent. Oranges, like most citrus fruits, produce more juice when warmer. Juice them when they are at room temperature. Rolling the orange under the palm of your hand on a flat surface will also help to extract more juice. Vitamin C get destroyed when exposed to the air, so eat an orange quickly once cut up. When you peel away the outer layer of a grapefruit, you may be tempted to pick off the white flesh that is between you and the juicy fruit and throw it away. This stuff is called pith. Don't do it. That pith is very rich in antioxidants and nutrients and also soluble fiber, which is going to help you feel fuller and impact your glucose reactions. While the pith of grapefruit can have more of a bitter taste than, say, oranges, it's worth eating along with the fruit if you can. Fiber is a good thing and can help lower blood sugar, cholesterol, and possibly even colon cancer risks. Several studies have shown that people who eat half a fresh grapefruit or drink grapefruit juice before each meal lose more weight than those people who do not. That's because of hefty dose of vitamin A and C in each serving. Vitamin C and A are huge as far as immune boosting. Some research indicates that not having enough vitamin C may actually hurt your immune system, especially if you are elderly. Grapefruit may not prevent a cold, but the vitamins inside may reduce your suffering or possibly the duration of a cold. Citrus fruits like lemons are high in vitamin C, are primary antioxidants that help protect cells from damaging free radicals. You have probably heard that vitamin C may help prevent or limit the duration of a common cold in some people, but studies are conflicting. Vitamin C may reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke and lower blood pressures. While lemons don't top the list of citrus fruits high in vitamin C, but they are still good a source of vitamin C. Lemon supports weight loss. It improves your skin quality. Vitamin C found in lemons may help reduce skin wrinkling, dry skin from aging and damaging from the sun. It also aids digestion. Some people drink lemon water as a daily morning laxative to help prevent constipation. Drinking warm or hot lemon water when you wake up may help get your digestive system moving. It also freshens your breath. Have you ever rubbed a lemon on your hand to get rid of the smell or garlic or some other strong odor? The same folk remedy may apply to the bad breath caused by eating food with strong smells such as garlic, onions, and fish. You might avoid bad breath by drinking a glass of lemon water after meals and first thing in the morning. Lemon is thought to stimulate saliva, and water also helps prevent a dry mouth, which can lead to bad breath caused by bacteria. It also helps prevent kidney stones. The citric acid in lemons may help prevent kidney stones. Citrate, a component of citric acid, paradoxically makes urine less acidic and may help even break up small stones. Drinking lemon water not only gets you citrate, but also the water you need to help prevent or flush out stones. You don't have to be a nutritionist to realize that apples are good for you. Not only do they come in their own packaging, meaning you can eat the skin, they are also full of nutrients that give them a huge list of health benefits. You can get a whiter, healthier teeth. Apple won't replace your toothbrush, but biting and chewing an apple can stimulate the production of saliva in your mouth and reduce tooth decay by lowering the levels of bacteria. You can also avoid Alzheimer's. A study on the benefits of apple shows that drinking apple juice could keep Alzheimer's away and fight the effects of aging on the brain. You can also decrease your risk of diabetes. Women who eat at least one apple a day are 28% are less likely to develop type 2 diabetes than those who don't eat apples. You can also reduce cholesterol. The soluble fiber found in apples binds with fats in the intestine, which translates into lower cholesterol levels. You can also beat diarrhea and constipation, whether you can't go to the bathroom or you just can't stop. Fiber found in apples can help. Fiber can either pull water out of your colon to keep things moving along when you're backed up, or absorb excess water from your stool to slow your bowels down. You can also control your weight by eating apple. You can also detoxify your liver from apple. You can also boost your immune system by eating apple a day. So don't forget, apple a day keeps a doctor away. Thank you. Strawberries. Strawberries is one of my favorite fruits. Strawberries are bright red, juicy, and sweet. They are an excellent source of vitamin C and manganese, and it also contains decent amount of folate, vitamin B9, and potassium. Strawberries are very rich in antioxidants and plant compounds which may have benefit for heart health and blood sugar control. Usually consumed raw and fresh, these berries can also be used in a variety of jams, jellies, and desserts. Eating strawberries is associated with a reduced risk of many chronic diseases. Strawberries may improve heart health, lower blood sugar levels, and help prevent cancer. Watermelon is a sweet and refreshing low calorie summer snack. It provides hydration and also essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. There are five common types of watermelon: seeded, seedless, mini, yellow, and orange. Watermelon is around 90% of water, which makes it useful for staying hydrated in the summer. It can also satisfy a sweet tooth with its natural sugar. Watermelon has high water content and also provides some fiber. These nutrients help promote a healthy gut by preventing constipation and promoting regularity of bowel movement. Watermelon is around 90% of water and also provides electrolytes such as potassium. This makes it a healthful choice of snack during the hot summer months. People can eat watermelon fresh as juice or frozen in slices for a tasty called popsicle style snack. Choline is another antioxidant that occurs in watermelons. It contributes to the following functions and activities such as muscle movement, learning and memory, maintaining the structure of cell membrane, the transmission of nerve impulses, early brain development. Watermelon and watermelon juice may reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery time following exercise in athletes. Watermelon contains vitamin C, which the body needs to produce collagen. Collagen is essential for cell structure and human function. Vitamin C also promotes wound healing. In 2019, researchers published findings indicating that watermelon may improve features of metabolic syndrome. including obesity and cardiovascular measures. In the study, 33 people with overweight or obesity consumed 2 either cups of watermelon or low-fat cookies each day for 4 weeks. The people who ate watermelon reported feeling less hungry and more satisfied for longer than those who ate the cookies. In addition, after 4 weeks, those who ate watermelon had higher level of antioxidants in their bloods, lower body weight and body mass index, lower systolic blood pressure, improved waist to height ratio. Those who ate the cookies had higher level of oxidative stress than the watermelon group. Their blood pressure and body fat also increased. The results suggest that watermelon may be a good choice of snack for people with obesity and metabolic syndrome. When buying a watermelon, people should look for one that is firm, heavy, and symmetrical without soft spots or bruising. Tapping the outside can give a clue as to the texture of the fruit inside. Listen for a light and almost hollow sounding thud. This indicates the water and fruit contained is intact and has a stable structure. Watermelon also contains some B vitamins such as thiamine, niacin, and riboflavin, zinc, manganese, selenium, fluoride, and other essential minerals, tryptophan, leucine, lysine, arginine, and other antioxidants. Watermelon is very helpful for your diet because it gives you a 90% of the water content, and the water is very essential part of your life to stay hydrated. Pomegranates are among the healthiest fruits on earth. They contain a range of beneficial plant compounds unrivaled by other fruits. Studies have shown that they may have several benefits for your body, possibly lowering your risk of various diseases. The skin of the pomegranate is thick and inedible, but there are hundreds of edible seeds within. Each seed is surrounded by a red, juicy, and sweet seeds covering known as an aril. The seeds and aril are the edible parts of the fruit, eaten either raw or processed into pomegranate juice, but the peel is discarded. Pomegranates contain punic allergens and punicic acid, unique substances that are responsible for the most of their health benefit. The punic allergens in pomegranate juice have been shown to reduce inflammation, one of the leading drivers of many serious diseases, including cancer and diabetes. Preliminary evidence indicates that pomegranate juice can be useful in men with prostate cancer, potentially inhibiting cancer growth and lowering the risk of death. Laboratory studies suggest that pomegranate extract can help fight breast cancer cells, but human studies are still needed. Regular intake of pomegranate juice has been shown to lower blood pressure levels in as little as 2 weeks. Several human studies have shown that pomegranate can have benefits against heart diseases. It improves your cholesterol profile and protects LDL cholesterol from oxidative damage. As a rich source of nitrates, pomegranate may improve exercise performance by increasing blood flow. Kiwis are small fruits that pack a lot of flavor and plenty of health benefits. Their green flesh is sweet and tangy. It also full of nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, folate, and potassium. They also have a lot of antioxidants and are a good source of fiber. Kiwi is no ordinary fruit, both in terms of the way it looks as well as its nutritional content. The vibrant green slices packed with little black seeds have always worked wonders in sprucing up desserts and fruit balls. It is a sight for the eyes, and the refreshing flavor makes it a favorite choice among fruits. Kiwis are a high source of vitamin C. If you thought that lemons and oranges were the highest source of vitamin C, then you have to think again. According to the nutritional breakup of kiwi fruit, per 100 grams contains 154% of vitamin C, which is almost twice that of lemons and oranges. Vitamin C acts as powerful antioxidants, eliminating free radicals that could cause inflammation or cancer. It also helps in boosting the immunity of the body against harmful pathogens. Kiwis are a sleep inducer. Having trouble sleeping, according to a research done by Taipei Medical University, numerous studies have revealed that kiwi fruit contains many medically useful compounds, among which antioxidants and serotonin may be beneficial in the treatment of sleep disorders. It is said that having 2 kiwis fruits 1 hour before bedtime can help immensely in inducing sleep. Kiwis are a good source of dietary fibers. This exotic food is loaded with dietary fiber, which helps in the prevention of numerous diseases. It also facilitates weight loss and is often recommended to diabetics. Kiwis helps in digestion. Kiwi fruit contains an enzyme known as an actinidine, which is known as for its protein dissolving properties similarly to that of papain in papaya. This is the reason why it is commonly used as a meat tenderizer. Moreover, it helps in the digestion of proteins in the body and is also known to help patients suffering from irritable bowel syndrome. It is not without reason that the Chinese valued kiwis for its medicinal properties. It is a good source of folate which is said to be beneficial for pregnant women because it helps in the development of the fetus. Making it healthy, it is also considered to be good for growing children. Kiwis gives you a very beautiful skin, which is a dream of every lady. Kiwi is alkaline in nature, which means it helps in countering the effects of acidic food that we quite often consume. A healthy food is one which has a good pH balance, which helps in keeping you active, full of energy, and with a youthful skin. The vitamins present in kiwi, C and E, are said to be great for the skin as they act as antioxidants. Preventing skin degradation, take a few slices and apply them on your skin for a good results. Bananas are extremely healthy and delicious. They contain several essential nutrients and provide benefit for digestion, heart health, and weight loss. Aside from being very nutritious, they are also a highly convenient snack food. Bananas are among the world's most popular fruits. Native to Southeast Asia, they are now grown in many warm parts of the world. Bananas vary in color, size, and shape. Bananas are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and several nutrients. A medium sized banana has about 105 calories only. Bananas are rich in pectin, a type of fiber that gives the flesh its spongy structure from. Unripe bananas contain resistant starch which acts like soluble fiber and escapes digestion. Both pectin and resistant starch may moderate blood sugar levels after meals and reduce appetite by slowing the emptying of your stomach. Bananas can help moderate blood sugar levels after meals and may reduce appetite by slowing stomach emptying. Bananas are fairly rich in fiber and resistant starch, which may feed your friendly gut bacteria and safeguard against colon cancer. Bananas may aid weight loss because they are low in calories and high in nutrients and fiber. Bananas are a good dietary source of potassium and magnesium, two nutrients that are essential for heart health. Bananas are high in several antioxidants which may help reduce damage from free radicals and lower your risk of some diseases. Eating a banana several times a week may reduce your risk of kidney disease by up to 50%. Bananas are often referred to as the perfect food for athletes, largely due to their mineral content and easily digested carbs. Eating bananas may help reduce exercise related muscle cramps and soreness, which affects up to 95% of the general population. Bananas do provide excellent nutrition before, during, and after endurance exercise. Eating bananas may help reduce exercise related muscle cramps and soreness, which affects up to 95% of the general population. Bananas make an excellent snack food, dessert, or breakfast. Their versatility makes them easy to add to your diet. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which can break down the tough protein chains found in muscle meats. Because of this, people have used papaya to tenderize meats for thousands of years. If the papaya is ripe, it can be eaten raw. However, unripe papaya should always be cooked before eating. Papaya has powerful antioxidant effects which may reduce oxidative stress and lower your risk of several diseases. Papaya high vitamin C and lycopene content can improve heart health and may reduce your risk of heart disease. Papaya has shown to improve constipation and other symptoms of IBS. The seeds and other parts of the plants have also been used to treat ulcers. In addition to keeping your body healthy, papaya can also help your skin look more toned and youthful. Excessive free radical activity is believed to be responsible for much of the wrinkling, sagging, and other skin damage that occurs with age. The vitamin C and lycopene in papaya protect your skin and may help reduce these signs of aging. Papaya has a unique taste that many people love, however, ripeness is a key. An unripe or overly ripe papaya can taste very different from a perfectly ripe one. When optimally ripe, papaya should be yellow to orange red in color, although a few green spots are fine, like an avocado. Its skin should yield to gentle pressure. Its flavor is best when cold, so it's a good idea to keep it refrigerated whenever possible. After washing it well, you can cut it in a half lengthwise, scoop out the seeds, and eat it out of the rind with a spoon like cantaloupe or melon. As it's incredibly versatile, it can also be combined with other foods that complement its flavor. Pineapple is an incredibly delicious and healthy tropical fruit. It originated in South America, where early European explorers named it after its resemblance to a pine cone. This popular fruit is packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and other helpful compounds such as enzymes that can fight inflammation and disease. Pineapple and its compounds have been linked to many health benefits, including aiding digestion, boosting immunity, and speeding up recovery from surgery, among others. Pineapples are a good source of antioxidants which may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Many of the antioxidants in pineapples are bound so they may have a longer lasting effects. Pineapples contains bromelain, a group of digestive enzymes that break down proteins. This may aid digestion, especially in those with pancreatic insufficiency. Pineapple contains compounds that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to cancer. One of these compounds is the enzyme bromelain, which may stimulate cell death in certain cancer cells and aid white blood cell function. Pineapple have anti-inflammatory properties that may boost the immune system. The bromelain in pineapple may reduce the inflammation. Guavas are oval in shape with light green or yellow skin and contain edible seeds. What's more, guava leaves are used as an herbal tea and the leaf extract as a supplement. Guava fruits are amazingly rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. This remarkable nutrient content gives them many health benefits. Guava extract may help improve blood sugar control in people with diabetes or those at risk. Guava fruit or leaf extract may have a positive effect on heart health by lowering blood pressure, decreasing bad cholesterol, and increasing good cholesterol. Taking guava leaf extract daily may help decrease symptoms of painful menstruation in women, including cramps as well. Consuming guava or guava leaf extract may prevent or reduce diarrhea and constipation. Guavas are full of fiber and low in calories, meaning that they may help you feel full and aid weight loss. The high levels of antioxidants in guava may help prevent the development and growth of cancer cells. Low levels of vitamin C are linked to an increased risk of infections and illness. Guavas are a fantastic way to get this nutrient as they are one of the richest food sources of vitamin C. In fact, one guava provides about double the reference daily intake for vitamin C. This is almost twice the amount you would get from eating an orange. This is wonder. The wide range of vitamins and antioxidants packed into a guava may work wonders for your skin. Its antioxidants may protect your skin from damage, which can slow down its aging process, helping prevent wrinkles. What's more, guava leaf extract may even help treat acne when applied directly to your skin. So guava works wonder for the skin of the woman especially. There are many types of grapes including green, red, black, yellow and pink. They grow in clusters and come in seeded and seedless varieties. 1 cup of 151 grams of grapes provides more than a quarter of the RDI for vitamin K, a fat-soluble vitamin vital for blood clotting and healthy bones. They are also a good source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient and powerful antioxidant necessary for connective tissue health. Antioxidants are compounds found in plants. For example, they may help repair the damage to your cells caused by free radicals, which are harmful molecules that cause oxidative stress. Oxidative stress has been associated with several chronic diseases including diabetes, cancer, and heart diseases. Grapes are high in number of powerful antioxidants compound. In fact, over 1600 beneficial plant compounds have been identified in this fruit. The highest concentration of antioxidants is found in the skin and seeds. For this reason, most of the research on grapes has been done using skin or seed extracts. Red grapes contain higher numbers of antioxidants due to the anthocyanins that give them their colors. Grapes are high in antioxidants, beneficial plant compounds that may protect against chronic health conditions such as diabetes, cancer, and heart diseases. Grapes contains many beneficial plant compounds such as resveratrol that may protect against various types of cancer, including colon cancer and breast cancer. Though grapes are high in sugar, they have a low glycemic index. Additionally, compounds in grapes may protect against high blood sugar. Grapes contain several compounds such as resveratrol, luteins that may protect against common eye diseases including age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and glaucoma. Grapes contains compounds that may improve memory, attention, and mood and may protect against Alzheimer's disease, though more human-based research is needed to confirm some of these benefits. Grapes contains many minerals necessary for bone health including calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, manganese, and vitamin K. Grapes are a good source of vitamin C, which is well known for its beneficial impact on your immune system. Grape skin extract has been shown to protect against the flu virus in test tube studies. Additionally, compound in grapes stop the herp virus, chickenpox, and yeast infection from spreading in test tube studies. Resveratrol in grapes has been shown to activate genes associated with slower aging and lower lifespan. Grapes contains compounds that may have anti-inflammatory effects which may protect against certain heart and bowel diseases. Grapes are easy to incorporate into a healthy diet. Here are few ways you can enjoy them. Eat grapes plain as a snack. Freeze grapes for a cool treat. Add chopped grapes to a vegetable or chicken salad. Add grapes to a cheese board for an appetizer or dessert. Drink 100% grape juice. Use grapes in a fruit salad. Peaches are a small fruit with a fuzzy peel and a sweet white or yellow flesh. Peaches are related to plums, apricots, cherries, and almonds. They are considered drupes or stone fruit because their flesh surrounds a shell that houses an edible seed. Peaches contain fiber which contributes to smooth digestion and a lower risk of gut disorders. Peach flowers also provide certain compounds that appear to support a healthy gut. Peaches contain compounds that may help reduce risk factor for heart disease such as high blood pressure as well as triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Compounds in peaches and peach flower may help keep your skin healthy by maintaining moisture and protecting against sun damage. Compounds found in peaches may offer some protection against cancer by limiting the formation, growth, and spread of cancerous cells. Peaches may offer several other health benefits. The most well researched includes it may boost your immunity. Peaches are rich in immune boosting nutrients and antioxidants. It may protect against certain toxins. Peach extracts given to smokers increase the removal of nicotine through the urine. It may reduce the blood sugar levels. Studies show that compounds found in peaches may help prevent high blood sugar levels and insulins. Peaches are easy to find and can be added to your diet in many ways. They can be eaten raw, baked, grilled, broiled, or sauteed and are easily incorporated into warm or cold dishes alike. For instance, fresh peaches make a great nutrient-rich snack and can be eaten either on their own or topped with yogurt and a handful of nuts. Peaches can be added to salads. Lastly, peaches can be blended into a smoothie or gently mashed to add flavor to your water. Cherries. Cherries are small stone fruits that come in a variety of color and flavor. There are two major categories of cherries such as tart and sweet cherries. Their color can vary from yellow to deep blackish red. All varieties are highly nutritious and packed with fiber, vitamins and minerals. Cherries are a good source of vitamin C, potassium, fiber and other nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. The high concentration of plant compound in cherries may be responsible for this fruit's many health benefits. Though the amount and type can vary depending on the variety, all cherries are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. This high antioxidant content may help combat oxidative stress, a condition that is linked to multiple chronic diseases and premature aging. These stone fruits also contain carotenoid pigments like beta carotene and vitamin C, both of which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties as well. Research shows that the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds in cherries may help relieve exercise-induced muscle pain, damage, and inflammation. Tart cherries and their juice seems to be more effective than sweet varieties, though maybe aid athletes. Tart cherry juice and concentrate have been found to accelerate muscle recovery, decrease exercise-induced muscle pain, and prevent strength loss in elite athletes such as cyclists and marathon runners. Additionally, some evidence suggests that cherry products may enhance exercise performance as well. A study in 20 active women noted that those who drank 2 ounces, which is 60 ml of tart cherry juice twice daily for 8 days recovered quicker and had less muscle damage and soreness after completing repeated sprint exercises compared to the placebo group. Cherries are packed with potassium and polyphenol antioxidants which have powerful heart protective properties. Due to their potent anti-inflammatory effects, cherries may reduce symptoms of arthritis and gout, a type of arthritis caused by a buildup of uric acid that can lead to extreme swelling, inflammation, and pain in your joints. Eating cherries or drinking tart cherry juice may help improve your sleep quality. These sleep promoting benefits may be attributed to the fruit's high concentration of plant compounds. Additionally, cherries contain melatonin, a substance that helps regulate your sleep wake cycle. Cherries are versatile and incredibly delicious. Both sweet and tart varieties pair well with many foods, plus related products such as dried cherries, cherry powder, and cherry juice make interesting additions to many recipes. Apricots are stone fruits, also known as Armenian plums. Round and yellow, they look like a smaller version of a peach but share the tartness of purple plums. They are extremely nutritious and have many health benefits such as improved digestion and eye health. Apricots are low in calories and fat while also an excellent source of vitamin A and C. Apricots contain numerous antioxidants, most notably flavonoids. They help protect your body from oxidative stress, which is linked to many chronic diseases. Apricots boost multiple compounds that are essential for eye health, including vitamin A and E. Vitamin A plays a vital role in preventing night blindness, a disorder caused by lack of light pigments in your eyes. While vitamin E is a fat soluble antioxidant that enters your eyes directly to protect them from free radical damage. Meanwhile, beta carotene, which gives apricots their yellow orange color, serves as a precursor to vitamin A, meaning that your body can convert it into this vitamin. Other important apricot carotenoids include lutein and zeaxanthin, found in the lenses and retinas of your eyes. They safeguard against oxidative stress. Eating apricots may benefit your skin. The main cause of wrinkles and skin damage are environmental factors such as the sun, pollution, and cigarette smoke. What's more, research indicates a direct link between ultraviolet light exposure, sunburns, and your risk of melanoma, a deadly form of skin cancer. Notably, you can fight some of this skin damage through a healthy diet full of antioxidants which apricots provides. Vitamin C and E, both found in this fruit, may aid your skin. In particular, vitamin C protects against ultraviolet damage and environmental pollutants by neutralizing free radicals. Furthermore, this vitamin helps build collagen, which gives your skin strength and elasticity. Eating a diet high in vitamin C can help your skin heal from UV damage and prevent wrinkles. Beta carotene and other apricot nutrients which may protect against sunburns. Apricots are a good source of soluble fiber which feeds your healthy gut bacteria and may boost digestive health. Potassium aids nerve signaling, muscle contraction, and fluid balance. Eating potassium rich fruits such as apricots may help prevent high blood pressure and reduce your risk of stroke. Eating apricots can be an easy way to replenish both water and electrolyte loss after exercise. As this fruit offers good amounts of water and potassium, apricots are naturally high in water, which is important for staying hydrated. Proper hydration is vital for several aspects of health, including blood pressure and heart rate. Both fresh and dried apricots are widely available. You can eat them on their own or add them to your favorite dishes, slides, or desserts. So enjoy your apricots with the desserts or how you want to. Plums are extremely nutritious with a variety of health benefits to offer. They contain many vitamins and minerals in addition to fiber and antioxidants that may help reduce your risk of several chronic diseases. You can consume plums fresh or dried. Dried plums or prunes are known for improving several health conditions, including constipation and osteoporosis. The vitamin and mineral content of plums and prunes differ slightly, but both are packed with nutrients. Additionally, prunes contains more calories, fiber, and carbs than fresh plums. Prunes and prune juice are well known for their ability to relieve constipation. This is partly due to the high amount of fiber in prunes. One prune provides 1 gram of fiber. The fiber in prune is mostly insoluble, which means it does not blend with water. It plays a role in preventing constipation by adding bulk to your stool and may speed up the rate that waste moves through your digestive tract. Plums and prunes are high in polyphenol antioxidants, which may reduce inflammation and lower the risk of several chronic diseases. Prunes have several properties that may benefit bone health and by preventing or reversing bone loss, which may reduce the risk of conditions like osteoporosis. Consuming plums and prunes on a regular basis may have a protective effect on heart health. Plums and prunes may promote heart health due to their potential role in lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Plums and prunes are convenient and easy to incorporate into your diet. You can eat them on their own or enjoy them in smoothies and salads. Prunes can also be consumed as juice and are commonly stewed, which is the process of combining them with water and then simmering. Lychees. Lychees are grown in subtropical regions throughout the world and especially popular in their native China as well as Southeast Asia. Known for their sweet and flowery flavor, they are typically eaten fresh and sometimes used in ice cream or processed into juice, wine, sherbet, and jelly. They are a good source of several vitamins, minerals, and healthy antioxidants. Lychees have an inedible pink red leathery skin which is removed before consumption. The flesh is white and surrounds a dark seed in the center. Lychees are mainly composed of water and carbs, which make up 82% and 16.5% of the fruit. Besides water, lychees are mainly composed of carbs. A single lychee, either fresh or dried, contains 1.5 to 1.7 grams of carbs. The majority of the carbs in lychees comes from sugars, which are responsible for their sweet taste. They are relatively low in fiber. Vitamins and minerals in lychees are a decent source, including vitamin C, copper, and potassium. Superfoods. Superfoods can be termed as food items which are superior to other food items when compared in their nutritional value. Even small portions of a superfood can supply abundant nutrition in forms of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Many a time, superfood can be termed as such because of some special characteristics or benefit that they provide, such as it may provide relief from some ailment or diseases, enhances immunity, reduces blood pressure, sugar or cholesterol, and much more. Due to various health benefits, different dry fruits are also termed as a superfoods. There are many dry fruits that a person can and should include in his daily diet. Some of these are good, others are still better. So let's have a look at the good ones. Almonds are among the world's most popular tree nuts. They are highly nutritious and rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Almonds are the edible seed of Prunus dulcis, more commonly called the almond tree. They are native to the Middle East, but the US is now the world's largest producer of almonds. The almonds you can buy in stores usually have the shell removed, revealing the edible nut inside. They are solid, either raw or roasted. They are also used to produce almond milk, oil, butter, flour, or paste, also known as marzipan. Almonds are high in antioxidants that can protect your cells from oxidative damage, a major contributor to aging and disease. Vitamin E is a family of fat-soluble antioxidants. These antioxidants tend to build up in cell membranes in your body, protecting your cells from oxidative damage. Almonds are among the world's best sources of vitamin E, with just 1 ounce providing 37% of the RDI. Nuts are low in carbs but high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. This makes them a perfect choice for people with diabetes. After boon of almonds is their remarkably high amount of magnesium. People without diabetes also see major reductions in insulin resistance when supplementing with magnesium. Low magnesium levels are strongly linked to high blood pressure, indicating that almonds can help control blood pressure. Eating 1 or 2 handfuls of almonds per day can lead to mild reductions in bad LDL cholesterol, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. Almonds are low in carbs and high in protein and fiber. Both protein and fiber are known to increase feelings of fullness. This can help you eat fewer calories. Though almonds are high in calories, eating them does not seem to promote weight gain. Some studies even suggest the opposite of it, because showing that almonds can enhance your weight gain as well. Pistachio nuts are not only tasty and fun to eat but also super healthy. These edible seeds of the Pistacia vera tree contain healthy fats and are a good source of proteins, fibers, and antioxidants. What more, they contain several essential nutrients and can aid weight loss and heart and gut health. Interestingly, people have been eating pistachios since 7000 BC. Nowadays, they are very popular in many dishes, including the ice cream and desserts. Pistachios are high in protein, fiber, and antioxidants. They also boost several other important nutrients, including vitamin B6 and potassium. Pistachios are among the most antioxidant-rich nuts around. They are high in lutein and zeaxanthin, both of which promote eye health. While eating nuts has many health benefits, they are typically high in calories. Fortunately, pistachios are among the lowest calorie nuts. 1 ounce 28 grams of pistachios contain 159 calories compared with 185 calories in walnuts and 193 calories in pecans. With protein comprising about 20% of their weight, pistachios are second only to almond when it comes to protein content. Despite being an energy dense food, nuts are one of the most weight loss friendly foods. While few studies have looked at the effects of pistachios on weight, those that exist are promising. Pistachios are rich in fiber and protein, both of which increase feelings of fullness and help you eat less. Shell pistachios are good for mindful eating as shelling the nuts takes time and slows the rate of eating. The leftover shell also gives you as a visual clue of how many nuts you have eaten. Studies shows that eating pistachios may help lower blood cholesterol. It may also lower blood pressure more than other nuts. Pistachio nuts may play an important role in promoting blood vessel health. That's because they are rich in L-arginine, which when converted into nitric oxide helps dilate your blood vessels. Pistachios have a low glycemic index which might promote lower blood sugar levels. Pistachios can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. These include as a snack, salad garnish, or pizza topping, or even in baking, adding a beautiful green or purple color to various desserts and dishes. Some delicious and green colored desserts include pistachios, gelato, or cheesecakes. Plus, like other nuts, they can be used to make pesto or nut butter. You can even try them sprinkling them over your favorite oven baked fish, adding them to your morning granola, or making your own dessert crust. Lastly, pistachios can be enjoyed on their own as a convenient, tasty, and healthy snack. Cashews are a kidney-shaped seed sourced from the cashew tree, a tropical tree native to Brazil but now cultivated in various warm climates across the world. Although commonly referred to as tree nuts and nutritionally comparable to them, cashews are really seeds. They are rich in nutrients and beneficial plant compounds and make for an easy addition to many dishes. Like most nuts, cashews may also help improve your overall health. They have been linked to benefits like weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and a healthier heart. Cashews are low in sugar and rich in fiber, heart healthy fats, and plant proteins. They are also a good source of copper, magnesium, and manganese nutrients important for energy production, brain health, immunity, and bone health. Cashews appear to provide fewer calories than once thought. Their rich fiber and protein content can help reduce hunger and increase feeling full. Put together, all of these factors may help you lose excess weight. Cashews are low in sugar and rich in fiber, two factors which, when combined, may help reduce blood sugar levels and protect against the development of type 2 diabetes. Cashews are very easy to add to your diet. They can be eaten raw or roasted and make for an easy portable snack. Whole or ground cashews can also be incorporated into a variety of dishes ranging from scrambled tofu and stir fries to soup, salads, and stews. Cashew butter is another way to add cashews to your diet. Spread it on toast or stir it into your yogurt or oatmeal. You can also process cashew butter together with oats and your favorite dried fruits to make homemade bake-free energy balls. Just keep in mind that some roasted and salted cashews can contain significant amounts of added oils and salts. If your goal is to limit excess salt or added fats, consider choosing dry roasted or raw unsalted cashew varieties whenever possible. Walnuts have higher antioxidant activity than any other common nut. This activity comes from vitamin E, melatonin, and plant compounds called polyphenols, which are particularly high in the papery skin of walnuts. A preliminary small study in healthy adults showed that eating a walnut rich meal prevented oxidative damage of bad LDL cholesterol after eating, whereas a refined fat meal didn't. Walnuts are a good source of the plant form of omega-3 fat, which may help reduce heart disease risk. Several plant compounds and nutrients in walnuts may help decrease inflammation, which is a key culprit in many chronic diseases. Eating walnuts not only nourishes your blood, but also the beneficial bacteria that live in your gut. This promotes the health of your gut and may help reduce disease risk. The polyphenols in walnuts may reduce your risk of certain cancers, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. However, more human studies are needed to confirm this. Though they are calorie dense, you may not absorb all of the calories in walnuts. Additionally, they may even help you control appetite and hunger. Eating walnuts may help control type 2 diabetes and reduce your risk of the disease, as the nut may help control your weight. Walnuts might have more direct effects on blood sugar control as well. A healthy diet that includes walnuts may help preserve physical functions such as walking and self-care abilities as you age. Walnuts contains nutrients that may help protect your brain from damaging inflammation and support good brain function as you age. Though it's simplest to eat walnuts one by one as a snack, there are plenty of tasty ways to use them in dishes. Try walnuts by sprinkling them on leafy green or fruit vegetables, finely ground in dips and sauce, chopped and used in whole grain breads and scones, crushed to use as coating on fish or skin, chopped and added to wraps or pita sandwiches, served atop oatmeal or yogurt, roasted, chopped and used on pasta or vegetables, lightly browned in your favorite stir-fry recipes, as an oil in an vinaigrette dressing, or scout the internet for additionally tasty recipe ideas. If you are cooking for guests, make sure no one is allergic to walnuts before adding them to your dishes. Peanuts are a legume that originated in South America. They go by a variety of names such as groundnuts, earth nuts, and gobers. Despite their name, peanuts are unrelated to tree nuts. As a legume, they are related to beans, lentils, and soy. In the US, peanuts are rarely eaten raw. Instead, they are most often consumed roasted or as a peanut butter. Other peanut products include peanut oil, flour, and protein. These goods are used in a variety of foods such as desserts, cakes, confectionery, snacks, and sauces. Peanuts are rich in protein, fat, and various healthy nutrients. Studies show that peanuts may even be useful for weight loss and are linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Peanuts are packed with healthy fats and high quality proteins. They are also fairly high in calories. Peanuts are high in fat, consisting mostly of mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids. They are often used to make peanut oil. For a plant food, peanuts are an exceptionally good source of protein. Keep in mind that some people are allergic to peanut proteins. Peanuts are low in carbs. This makes them a good dietary choice for people with diabetes. Peanuts are an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals. These include biotin, copper, niacin, folate, manganese, magnesium, vitamin E, thiamine, and phosphorus. Peanuts are very filling and can be considered an effective component of a weight loss diet. As a source of many heart-healthy nutrients, peanuts may help prevent heart diseases. Pine nuts help maintain your body's hormonal health as they are rich in zinc. Zinc aids in healing and stimulates the activity of about 100 enzymes in the body. They are a rich source of magnesium too. Magnesium is also known as the mood mineral. It helps decrease anxiety, stress, and depression. These vital nuts calm the body and improve your sleep and memory. So tuck a few into your bags for a quick snack loaded with health. Rich in iron, pine nuts helps you body transport and store oxygen. Furthermore, they are great for brain health too. It's a good idea to roast them as that will reduce the effect of iron inhibitors. The unsaturated fats found in pine nuts help increase insulin sensitivity. In addition, when eaten as a part of the meal, they can reduce the overall glycemic index. This is good news for diabetics patients. Pine nuts are great for dieters. A handful of these seeds helps in weight management. The pinolenic acids in pine nuts stimulate the intestine to produce a particular hormone that signals the brain to turn off hungry mood. Being nutrient dense, pine nuts are loaded with healthy fats, dietary fibers, plant sterols, arginine, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are heart protective. The higher antioxidant content in the seeds slows down aging, making you look and feel younger. Since pine nuts are rich in vitamin and nutrients, their consumption on a regular basis will help develop sharp vision. Sprinkle pine needs on salads for the extra crunch, full of wholesome health benefits. Get that glow with these antioxidants rich seeds. They help control how fast you age by combating free radicals, which plays an important role in each age-related deterioration. Hazelnuts. Hazelnuts make a tasty snack and are a great addition to many dishes. When a person includes them in a balanced calorie controlled diet, the nuts also provide several health benefits. Hazelnuts contains vitamin E, healthful fat, protein, dietary fiber. Hazelnuts support healthy bowel movements. The hazelnuts, also known as the filbert, is a type of nut that comes from the Corylus tree. It is mostly cultivated in Turkey, Italy, Spain, and the US. Hazelnuts have a sweet flavor and can be eaten raw, roasted, or ground into a paste. Like other nuts, hazelnuts are rich in nutrients and have a high content of protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Hazelnuts are a good source of dietary fiber. Eating plenty of fiber encourages regular bowel movements and helps prevent constipation. Hazelnuts are rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that protect against the oxidation of cells. They reduce the extent of cell damage from free radicals. Hazelnuts are a rich source of vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, manganese, and copper. Additionally, they have a high content of omega 6 and omega 9 fatty acids. Hazelnuts are rich in phenolic compounds that have been shown to increase antioxidants protection in the body. It is best to eat hazelnuts whole and unroasted to ensure you get the highest concentration of antioxidants. Hazelnuts may increase oxidative capacity and reduce blood lipid levels, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. They also seem to help normalize blood pressure. Hazelnuts may help prevent and decrease inflammation due to their high concentration of healthy fats. Nuts like almonds and walnuts have been shown to help reduce blood sugar levels. Although not abundant, there is research that hazelnuts may also help reduce blood sugar levels. Hazelnuts can be incorporated into the diet as a healthy snack or as an ingredient in many dishes. You can purchase and enjoy them raw, roasted, whole, sliced, or ground. Interestingly enough, it seems that people prefer sliced and whole hazelnuts rather than ground ones. While the highest concentration of antioxidant is in the skin, some recipes require you to remove the skin. This can be done by baking the kernels in the oven for about 10 minutes, which makes the skin easy to then peel. Peeled hazelnuts can be ground to make flour for baking or to make hazelnut butters or nutritious spread. Moreover, hazelnuts can also be coated with chocolate or spices like cinnamon for a sweet or spicy treat. They also make a great complement to cakes or topping for ice creams and other desserts. Fruits benefiting your health and beauty. Many people use fresh fruits or dry fruits as a medicine. 1 cup of fruit juice on a daily basis gives you a clear complexion. You can massage a fruit pulp on your face to give vitamins and minerals to the external layer of your skin. Many people who don't want to take a chemical facials, they always go for fruit facials which are easily available in their kitchens. Pampering your skin with fruit is not toxic and less harmful. Fruits have a water content which keeps your body and skin hydrated at the optimal levels. Usage of fruit is cost effective and natural. Nutrients Journal found that women who eat 5 or more servings a day of fresh fruits and veggies have a healthier, more attractive glow to their skin than women who don't eat fruits. If you have been dealing with skin issues like dull, lifeless, wrinkled, or tight skin, this suggests that your skin needs care, and what better way to provide a natural glow and shine to your skin than to include some yummy fruits in your diets. You may be surprised to know but your skin mirrors what you put inside your tummies, which means whether you eat healthy food or you make wrong eating choices, your skin shows it all. Fruits plays a role of sleep inducer. It keeps you away from aging. Fruits makes you feel happy, and by this you can get sound sleeps and healthy skins ultimately. How you can use fruits and you can add them into your daily life. In a breakfast, cut back on the amount of cereal in your bowl to make room for some cut up bananas, peaches, or strawberries. You can still eat a full bowl but with a fewer calories. In a snacking 2 times a day and snacks should be less than 100 calories. Most healthy eating plans allow for 1 or 2 small snacks a day. Choosing most fruits and vegetables will allow you to eat a snack with only 100 calories. And in this under 100 calories, you can go for a medium sized apple, medium sized banana, or any medium sized fruit what you like. Or you can go for 1 handful amount of almonds, pistachios, walnuts, pine nuts, or any dry fruits which you like. And all of these dry fruits are also good for healthy diet snacking as well. Or you can have a fruit salad in dinners as well. Everyone wants great skin. It's one of the first things we see in the morning upon waking, and others are constantly looking at it throughout the day. While there are tons of beauty products that can aid in this, you can also take a natural, fruitful approach to beautiful skins. Eating a diet rich in fruits does a body good, but the antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, and benefits of fruits can also do your face good. Here are few fruit-based face masks or DIYs recipes to get youthful, fresh-looking skin. These masks are quick and easy to make, perfect for travel or on the go. The best part of making these face masks or DIYs, you can eat anything you don't use. That's a true double dose of anti-aging and helpful properties. Some grateful DIYs of fruits for your face and body are following. The first DIY is a papaya skin brightening DIY. Take half cup of meat of papaya, 1 by 4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of honey. This is my absolutely favorite when traveling in the tropics, especially where papayas flourish and are cheap. Get brighter, younger looking skin thanks to the special enzymes papain of the papaya and rich reserves of antioxidants that help remove dead cells and impurities from the skin. The best part, at least for this sun lover, is that it also provides a natural glow. Using the meat of a papaya, use half cup and mash in a small bowl, add in 1 by 4 teaspoon cinnamon and half teaspoon honey. Then mix, apply to face avoiding eyes and leaves on 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, rinse it off and towel off face, then apply a light moisturizer to your face. The next DIY is of a banana and a strawberries DIY, and this is also known as a banana cleansing DIY. For this you need a half banana mash, few strawberries and a little honey. Just try not eating this one when you are applying it. The directions for making this mask is taking a half banana, mash it up in a small bowl, add a 1 to 2 ripe strawberries, diced and blend with the banana. Last, add in a dab of honey, apply for 20 minutes for clearer glowing skin. Why does this work? Banana is abundant with vitamin B, E, A and C, as well as minerals crucial for healthy skin. Being one of the best sources of natural oil and potassium, it also works as a remarkable emollient, clearing out pores and purifying your skin's surface. The strawberries are loaded with vitamin C for brightening and honey for healing, leaving your skin refreshed and like new. Strawberries are rich in essential vitamins and minerals. They contain vitamin C that fights free radicals and delays premature aging. They also help to lighten the skin owing to the ellagic and present in them. This also helps reduce and fade spots and blemishes of your skin. The manganese and antioxidants tone the skin, and the alpha hydroxy acid cleanses your skin and eliminates the dead cells from your skin. This also helps reduce wrinkles and the fine lines on your face. The anthocyanin pigments protect the skin against the harmful ultraviolet rays or the UV rays. The next DIY is of a strawberry and a cocoa. As I have already told you about the advantages of the strawberry and how it is healing to your skin or how it is benefiting to your skin. For this you need 4 strawberries, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of honey. And the directions for applying this mask is blend the strawberries until they become a smooth pulp. Add cocoa powder and honey to this pulp. Apply this pack on your face and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off with the warm water and pat dry for a gorgeous glowing skin. The next DIY is a grapes and an apple DIY. For this you need a half apple and 7 grapes. Blend the apples and the grapes until you get a smooth soft paste. Apply on clean skin and leave it on for half an hour. Wash in a pat dry. Apple contains vitamin C that helps build collagen. It contains powerful antioxidants and polyphenols that protect your skin from UV damage and aging. However, more scientific evidence is needed to prove its effectiveness in improving skin health. Grapes are rich in vitamin C that helps in toning and firming the skin. It also contains antioxidants like flavonoids, tannins, and resveratrol that fight free radicals and inhibit wrinkle formation.